Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to choose between MetaTrader 5 or WeBull. And before starting this video, I want to tell you two things. And the first thing is I won't tell you which application is better. I will tell you which application fits you the best. And the second thing is I made more than 1,500 videos about crypto settings, brokers, whatever. And I will tell you with my experiences on both applications, which application fits you the best. Let's start right here with the main focus of MetaTrader 5. And the main focus on MetaTrader 5 is Forex and CFD tradings. The main focus on WeBull is stocks, ETFs and investing. Then if you go right here to best for, and with that I mean MetaTrader 5 is the best for active traders, where WeBull is better for investors. If you go right here to the trading tools, MetaTrader 5 is extremely advanced, where WeBull is good but simpler. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to use WeBull. And if you go right here to the interface, MetaTrader 5 is traditional and WeBull has a modern and beginner-friendly interface. If you look right here to the fees and trading costs, better. And if you look here to the trading fees and costs, MetaTrader 5 is better for Forex trading and WeBull is better for stock investing. So if I'm honest with you, many traders use MetaTrader 5 for Forex trading and automation, and many traders are using WeBull for stocks, ETFs and options trading. So hopefully after this video, you can make the decision by yourselves. Hopefully this was also the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.